Hey everyone, welcome back. So today, I'm going to share my experience of attending AWS Summit Bengaluru. The moment we entered the venue, you could literally feel the energy everywhere. The registration was surprisingly smooth. Picked up my badge, and just like that, I was in. First thing we did was explore the demo zones. Different companies had set up live displays showing how they're actually using AI and cloud in production, not just slides, actual working systems. There was this one VR and immersive tech area where AI cameras and sensors were creating real-time digital visuals around you. Then we hit the startup zone, and this was probably my favorite part of the whole expo floor. Over 150 startups and AWS partners had booths set up, mostly building in AI. I had some really interesting conversations there about how these teams are building scalable systems on AWS from literally day one. There was also a proper keynote session covering where AWS is headed, generative AI, agentic systems, tools like Amazon Bedrock, and the next generation of SageMaker. Thousands of developers, founders, students, engineers, all in one place, building, networking, learning. And that's when it really hit me. This wasn't just another tech event. The moment you step in, it hits you. The scale of it. We also walked through the media and entertainment section, which gave a pretty good picture of how platforms handle video streaming and content delivery at massive scale. Millions of users, low latency, the kind of infrastructure problems that sound simple until you're actually solving them. Now, the highlight for me, the AWS AI League. This was a live hands-on challenge that ran for about 3 hours. The goal was to build an AI-based solution using Amazon SageMaker and Bedrock Agent Core.
Other stalls, there was even lunch buffet arranged. So these are visuals from the lunch buffet. So there was a lot of varieties and dishes.
There were thousands of people, developers, founders, architects, students, all in one place, all there for the same reason. After all of that, we ended up at the developer community zone, which is where a lot of the shorter, more focused talks were happening. AWS community builders and experienced engineers sharing real-world stuff, cost optimization, security, observability, monitoring. Less polished than the main stages, more honest. That's usually where the good conversations happen. Those unplanned conversations are honestly underrated at events like this. Before we left, collected some goodies, grabbed a few business cards, and just took a moment to process everything. Came back with a lot of notes, a few new contacts, and genuinely more motivated to build better. And yeah, that was my experience at AWS Summit Bengaluru 2026. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and support the channel.